So finally you made it. Congratulations to all of you and welcome to the UGC NET English Complete course, a 45-day of hybrid learning journey built for aspirants who want clarity, confidence and result. This course is structured in the way I wish someone had taught me. Divided by paper 1 and paper 2, organized unit wise and taught in a perfectly chronological order to make learning seamless and predictable. It's not just a list of lectures, it's a system that walks you toward qualification step by step. And if you have joined the free plan, you'll get access to topic-wise video lectures and 2 mock tests to help you get a taste of the preparation style. But if you're enrolled into our pro plan, that's where the transformation really begins. You get lifetime access to all the video content, 10 full mock tests, topic-wise PYQ quizzes, interactive workbook and live sessions where I personally walk you through past year questions, especially topic-wise topic. And yes, my entire set of 20 plus printed books for paper 1 and paper 2 will be delivered to your doorstep. These books are aligned with the course and they are essential to the system working the way it was designed. So this course is entirely built around the exam pattern and PYQ trends. I don't believe in bloated theory or irrelevant lectures. Everything you study here, every class and every mock and every page is a part of proven system designed to help you clear UGC NET in your first attempt. I use visuals, graphics, mnemonics and a strict focus on PYQ to help you remember, apply, predict what's likely to come next in the exam. So you won't be preparing alone. You'll be part of our Telegram and WhatsApp group where students discuss, revise and support each other. And yes, you'll get one live session with me personally. I'll discuss your doubts, planning or even your mindset. Whatever you need, I am there. So if you follow the books, attend the session and especially revise PYQs topic wise the way I teach, I promise you'll clear the exam. More than 100 students already have and many of them were average students who simply needed the right method. I wasn't a topper, I struggled, I failed, but I observed, I tested and I built this method not just for the 1 in 1,000 who crack NET easily, but for the rest of us, that 999 aspirants. And if you are one of them, this course is for you. So let's get started.